channel. Yeah, that's Nunu. And today we're going to get into ratchetness at its finest. And I also have two guest stars. So this is Alyssa. This is my cousin Trinity.
What's up?
Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit of a clip that I, thought up in my head. Like, I wonder how I would look being ratchet as a ratchet teacher. Like, I've never experienced having a ratchet teacher at school, but I have seen ratchetness like around. So I wanted to do a skit of playing a ratchet teacher. So I'm gonna get into ratchetness at its finest. So let's get into it. Shaquana, you trying to hit the club tonight? Oh yeah, girl, I could definitely go. Girl, my baby daddy watching them. For sure. Yeah, you know it's gonna be turned right. And Tyrone supposed to be there. Girl, I don't care about my baby daddy. He ain't my daddy.
Hey, listen. I dare you to throw this paper at the teacher while she talking to a boo thing. Yo, hurry up, hurry up. She got to look, she got to look. Yo! She going.
For real? Oh no, girl. Y'all is terrible. Yeah, this little nigga just having a pickleball fight. Like, oh, hell no. One of these little niggas just threw a pickleball at me. So how was your class party last night? Girl, don't play with me. I know you went.
Man. Yo, Teach, aren't we supposed to be learning something in this class? Yeah, it is like 10 o'clock or something. We're supposed to be doing like some math.
Hold on, Shaquan. Oh yeah, y'all is supposed to be learning, ain't y'all? What's 9 plus 10?
21.
Good job, good job. Girl, these kids is dumb as... She went in his brother's room? Girl, stop lying. No wonder they call her sloppy head. I thought that was because her hair was always messed up. Let me find them.
While I was on the bus and you wasn't there, everybody was like partying on the bus. It was like having a party. I know they did. Destiny said she was bringing.
Hold on. These kids being extra rude. Don't y'all see me on the phone? Oh, hold on, girl. I got a call coming in. Hello? Boy, ain't nobody seen y'all toupee. It's probably the same place you left your priorities. At your mama house.
What the heck she talking to? They got her baby daddy.
Hello? Hey, Tyrone. Yeah, I love the honey bun you got me. I mean, the ring was cute, too. I mean, it was plastic, but it was still cute. Yeah, I'm gonna be at Louise's party tonight.
Miss Cheeks, can I use the bathroom? Miss Cheeks?
Girl, I don't care. Can't you see I'm on the phone? I can't wait to see you either. Yeah, Shaquana. Yeah, you won't believe who just called me. Tyrone.
Yo, I think she's looking at us right now. Yo, hey.
What y'all looking at? Oh no, my kids are staying with their daddy today. It's all about me. Right after I get off of work, I'm finna go get pampered so we can go out tonight. Girl, he don't run me. And when I get off, I want to go to Popeye. It's Tuesday. You know what that means. No, these little nappy head kids keep looking at me.
Is he really talking to her baby daddy on the phone? Jesus.
Don't you see me on the phone? Why you all up in my conversation? Get back to your work. Anyway, that was the kids. So, girl, I only strip on the weekends. I ain't know. Whole lot of mouth over the phone, but when I see her, she ain't say nothing. Oh, hold up. This is my song.
languages.
Y'all be breezy.
She's gonna leave like that? Ain't this a battle?
Bye, y'all. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my mysterious videos, subscribe to my channel. Later, y'all.
Sing. Sing.
Okay.
Sing.